Okay, we'll get started. Thank you so much for joining today, and wish you, wish all of you a very happy and blessed Ganesh Chaturthi. I hope you had a good day today, and this is a very important day to take steps towards your inner well-being. And I thought that we should launch something which I had been considering from a long time to launch, and I felt that today would be a good day to launch this. Especially Ganesh Chaturthi has been very significant for me in many ways. Last year on Ganesh Chaturthi, I had got the Sannidhi at home, Sadguru Sannidhi, which is a consecrated tool at home, and that has really changed not only my life but everybody at home as well. So I very fondly recall this day on Ganesh Chaturthi, and today I thought that I'll take one more step to launch something which was there in my mind from some time, but I was just not able to launch this. I was just thinking that maybe we'll do it sometime, but I felt that today should be a good day to push myself and launch this. So today I'm very happy to announce a program. So this is more of an advanced program, I would say, because this I have kind of thought about this program in such a way and designed it in such a way that this would be very suitable for people if you're really looking to make, if yoga is the only priority in your life, if your life has become in such a way that every breath that you take, you want to see that how this can help you in your growth, how this can take you a step further towards your inner well-being. If your life is not divided between yoga and everything else, for example, a lot of us think we have our spiritual life, and then we have our family life, and then we have our work life. So we have so many lives. So if you still have many lives, then this may not be very suitable, because here we are looking at how to see that everything is just one. Whether you are working, whether you are having a family, whether you are doing yoga, or whatever else that you're doing, if yoga has become the top priority in your life, then how can we support you further to work towards this? So when we started this initiative called as Yogi Ray, our main objective or purpose was this: to see how we can take people or inspire people so that at least an element of being a yogi can enter in their lives. So that was the main objective, because what is needed in the world today is we definitely need more people to take to yoga. That is definitely there. But more importantly, we need people who are also striving to see if they can become yogis, if yoga can become their life breath, if they live in such a way that not only they, but people around them also are transformed. So this is something which is this is something we've always dreamed of, that how we can help in inspiring more people to become, to at least have an element of being a yogi in their lives. So we thought we'll design a program where we can support people who are really looking for such a direction, who are seeing that how they can, every aspect of their life, if they can make it into yoga. So to that effect, there are many things which we may need to do. So if you are still having those questions about should I do yoga or should I not do yoga, should I eat raw food or should I just have whatever I feel like, or whatever else, if you're still having those fundamental questions, then this may not be suitable for you, because you can always do other beginner level programs where we can look at all these aspects in detail. For example, whether it's food or yoga, why is it important, and all these things we can look at in detail. So this is mainly for if you have been practicing yoga, or if you are aware about these aspects, at least if yoga has become an important part of your life, but now you're looking to see how you can intensify you're seeking, how you can intensify your growth and take one more step and get a peek into the life of how you can make every aspect of your life as yoga. So, to that effect, there are many things which you may need to do. For example, when you're living a yogic lifestyle, there are many changes which may be needed in your life. So, these changes, it's not that these external changes are going to transform your life or it's something which is deciding the quality of your life, but it's also something which can assist you. It may not decide the quality of your life because it's definitely up to you in terms of how you live. You can be doing anything outside, but you can still decide how you want to live, how you're within yourself. But outside supports are also very important because these things can assist you. These things can definitely make your life much more easier if you just follow these things. For example, let's say if you're having 50% raw food, if you're having 2 meals a day, if you're waking up early, and all these little things, if you're just doing this, you're eating with gratitude. If these things you're doing, you will see that things become much more easier for you. You don't need to struggle with whether it's your body, your mind, your emotions. All these things can become aligned for you very easily if you're just implementing certain aspects in terms of your lifestyle. So, we are happy to launch a 21 days program online, and there are quite a few things which we are planning to do, but this will be an experimental program because it's the first time we are launching this. So, only those who have seen our work or who at least have been through our programs, or at least you have that trust that whatever we do, we'll do our best. And if you're willing to take that leap of faith because it's the first kind of a program like this, then I would be happy to welcome you into this. So this will be an online program, and this we are planning to start from September 3rd, which is Sadhguru's birthday, and this will end on September 23rd, which is Sadhguru's Enlightenment Day. So many things just chosen the dates, and coincidentally it happened, that the starting and the ending is falling on these days. And this program will be accessible online. It's a live program, and anybody can join this program from whichever part of the world if you wish. Just the timings might scare you right now. So this program will be happening at 3:30 to 4:30 a.m. in the morning, so which is Indian Standard Time. So this itself will put off many people. I'm sure that very few hardy people will come for such a program which starts at 3:30, because the idea is that we are anyway looking for only people who are willing to take that to stretch themselves, and who are willing to make use of every possible tool or every possible support in the direction of their growth. So as you know that Brahma Muhurtam is a very significant time, especially in the life of a seeker. And many of us have at least aspired or longed that it wish we could get up early, and we could make use of this time, which is supposed to be a very opportune time, especially if you are initiated. This is a very powerful time to do your practices, yoga sadhana. If you have been initiated into it, it's a very powerful time. So you may be having this longing, but for many reasons, maybe because of your lifestyle, because of your food, or because you didn't have anything to inspire you towards that direction, you may not have taken any steps in that direction. So we thought we'll support you with a program which starts at 3:30 Brahma Muhurtam, so that at least because of the program, you will be inspired to make changes in your lifestyle. And if you have been, having all the tools but struggling to put it in place, for example, if you know most of this stuff, see if you have been following Isha or Sadhguru's channels online, most of the things which you are going to look in the program, you would anyway know, whether it's making use of Brahma Muhurtam, or having 2 meals a day, or eating raw food, or applying vibhuti, or wearing cotton clothing, or whatever else. These little things on the yogic path you may already know, or taking a cold water bath. So these things you may already know, but the thing is, it's not about knowing something, it's about whether it's part of your life or not. Implementation is the key, because you may see many things, you may watch many videos, you may read many articles, but whether things have happened in your life or not, whether these changes have happened in your life, whether you're implementing them or not, is the big question, right? So this is where we thought we can support you. If you have a program like this, where the timing itself is like that you have to get up early, and during the program we'll also look at what are the supports over the course of 21 days. We'll be looking at it step by step. Every aspect of your life will be kind of exploring in the sense of how you can enhance it, whether you know what to eat, what to wear, how to sleep, how to get up, and how to start your day, what kind of music you should be playing, if it's playing in the background, or what should you be chanting, or what should you be wearing on your head or forehead, and whatever tools which are necessary for you to kind of take a step towards your inner well-being. We'll be looking at all aspects of yogic lifestyle in detail. So, so if you have already been initiated, preferably, but it's not that we are going to restrict you. If suppose you have already learned some other Isha yoga practices, or maybe you just learned something online, or you have done the inner engineering online. If you're still really burning and you want to do something like this, it's still okay. We can still look at you coming for the program. But generally, most people who have been initiated or who are already practicing, and they just want some impetus or some kind of tool to propel them towards this. So we hope that in 21 days time, if you really give yourself towards it, in 21 days time, this would have become a part of your life. Then this should not be a struggle for you anymore. Every aspect of your life, by the end of this program, we are aiming that just to live itself for you would be a way of transforming. You need not specifically do, it's just not for you, it's not just 1.5 hours or 2 hours of yoga for you, but every aspect of your life, you should be living in such a way that this is helping you move towards your ultimate goal. So that is the whole idea of the program, to take people who are longing to grow in that direction and to support them in implementation. That's the most important aspect. So whatever challenges you may be facing, or lack of motivation or inspiration, this platform would be in such a way that we can solve those challenges. We can inspire you with a group of like-minded people who are also looking in the same direction, and we set certain milestones so that it will be easier for you to implement. Personally, for me also, for example, if I have a class at 5 in the morning, it will be much easier for me to get up and be ready for it. But if I don't have a class, then I'll always think, okay, maybe I'll sleep a little longer. So this is something which is common for many of us, that until we have something to do, usually we find it difficult to push ourselves. So hopefully this program will help give that push, because if you have to come to the program, and all 21 days are mandatory, and you won't have any excuses as well, because from morning 3:30 to 4:30, I don't think you have anything else to do except sleeping, unless you are in a night shift or something. So I don't think you'll have any excuses that you can't attend because of some work or the other. So this is completely, only if you're looking to grow in that direction, you would take up such a step. And even for those who are joining from, if you wish to join from other places, let's say outside the country, it may not coincide with Brahma Muhurtam for you, but at least if you really wish to do that, we won't stop you. You can still join, and it would be evening for you, especially in the US, I guess. It will be evening. And this, you could also use this as an opportunity, because you can probably be in the program and then see how you can implement it the next day and continue like this. So even if you are in some other time zone where it doesn't exactly coincide with it, for people who are in India, it will be coinciding. But people who are outside, it may not coincide. But if you're interested to still see how you can use this as a tool or as an inspiration to work towards that every aspect of your life can become yoga, then this also will be useful for you. So we can definitely help you with this. So that's what I wanted to say about the program. And to repeat, it will be experimental in nature. So we'll just trying to experiment with a few things, seeing how to put things together. And we want people who are willing to walk this path and would be willing to be flexible enough and eager enough to implement this. Because if you don't implement, if you're just coming to listen, this won't serve any much purpose actually, because anyway you would have learned or you have heard of most of these things. So only if you are really willing to stretch yourselves and to implement, and it may not be very easy. Just to think of it, to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning and take a cold water shower can deter most hardy seekers, especially if you're looking at this kind of a climate, and if it's cold or if it's raining or if it's whatever it is, if you have to tell you to get up at 3 in the morning and take a shower and then come for the session, it may not be very easy thing to do. Or other things as well, it may not be very easy. And but if you're looking how to see that every aspect of your life you can use as a support, then many of these things will be very easily able to integrate because you'll be willing to do it. So most importantly, it requires your willingness. If your willingness is there, then all these other things will fall into place very easily. So if you're willing, then we'll definitely be there to support you and assist you if there are any difficulties you're facing, any challenges, and support you to take this step so that by the end of 21 days, you should be bright and shining, and not only inspiration for this, your life should not only be an inspiration for everybody around you, but also many others to see how they can, take the step to make yoga their very breath. So, if you are having such a uh, longing, then we would like to invite you. I would share the details, more details about the program, registration, etc., probably in a few days, hopefully by tomorrow or day after so. But at least we'll release a inquiry form. I'll share the link with you on the in this video description. So I'll share the link with you, and at least you can pre-register. I mean, at least you can fill up if you are interested, because we want to see how many of you would be interested if we do such a program, and how many of you would be willing to take this step. So today I'll just share this after the session ends. I'll just see the link in the description. When this session ends, you can check out the video description. Then you'll find one link. After some time, I'll upload it. So just check that out and fill it up, and let us know if you would be keen if you do such a program. And then in a few days time we'll open up the registration as well, so that those of you who are interested and those who had signed up, we'll give them the first priority so that they can sign up. We want to see if we can take a set of people who would be really willing to do this. So since it's the first program like this, once we do this program this month, I mean next month, then maybe the next time we can see how to do many other things. But at least for the first program, maybe we want few people who are really willing, and who are okay that even if not many things are given to them right now in terms of explanation, if you are okay with not even getting a day-to-day kind of a schedule, and you're still willing to go through it, if you don't have too many details but still you'd be willing to go through it, then we want those kind of people to join for the first program. Once you finish the first program, then anyway you will have a lot more details. So if you're not if you want too many details, or if you are willing to, if you want to know each and everything what we're going to do, then you may try to do the for the next program. But for this first program, if what I mentioned last few minutes, if there's something which has interested you and you're willing to do whatever is needed, then please see if you can come for the first programs which we are going to do. So if there are any other questions, I can take them now. Just let me see if there are any questions on the chat window. Okay. I am 100% willing. I have no other priority in my life. Will it be a recorded session? Sorry, it won't be a recorded session. It'll be a live session. So yeah, I understand the timings may not be convenient for many people, especially in Europe. It might be midnight. Okay. Okay. A lot of you saying that you're willing. Timings for the program. Timings will be 3:30 to 4:30 a.m. IST. Okay, which coincides with the Brahma Muhurtam in India. So 3:30 to 4:30 will be the timing in the morning. So we just wanted to keep for an hour, around an hour, so that you have enough time to do your sadhana even after that, if you're going to the office or you have some work. So this will be just like, you get started and then you take off with all your sadhana, etc., which you anyway which you anyway have to do on a daily basis. Okay. Anybody else? And just look at any other questions. Would the program be possible for US specific time? Yeah, I understand. It might be based on the time zone. It may not be suitable for many of you because for Pacific time, I'm not sure. It might be afternoon for you. But I think for CST or EST in US, it might be evening by around 5:30 or so, 5 or 6 in the evening, which could work for you. Okay. Mm, okay. Let me see if there are any other questions. What is the eligibility criteria? No such eligibility criteria. As I said, uh, you should be willing to go through this, and preferably if you have already been doing some Isha Yoga practices, that will be preferable, because we want people who already understand the benefits of yoga, and we don't need to explain the basics in terms of why you should be doing yoga or other things. So this is more like an advanced program for people who already taken a step and they want to fuel it further. So preferably we would want people who already been practicing Isha Yoga. If your practices are not happening steadily, if you're on and off, that's still fine. Hopefully by the end of this program or during this program itself, if your schedule gets fixed, if your lifestyle changes, you'll have enough time for your practices. So that is also an idea to help people like this, because a lot of us have been initiated or have been doing yoga practices, but we are not consistent. And mainly the consistency problem is because we feel that we are not able to change our lifestyle. We sometimes sleep late, because of which we cannot get up early, and then we have to go for office and many other things, and by the time we return, it's quite late, and then you don't have any energy left for yoga. So these things can be fixed if you change your lifestyle. If you just change one thing, you will see everything else falls in place. So if you are like that, yes, it can help you. We have to come to Coimbatore. No, no, this is an online session. This is, you don't need to go anywhere. You can definitely be at your home and do this program. This is a completely online program. Shambhavi teaching, is it there in the program? No, we're not teaching you anything new. Okay, we are not teaching any practices in terms of Shambhavi or anything. Based on the people who register, we'll see if some simple meditation is needed to be taught or something. But idea is not about teaching something here in terms of yogic practices. This is mainly for people who are looking to enhance their sadhana, to uh, to use this as a support, that they have this support in terms of being in a company of people who are also looking the same path, and this program can help them get up earlier, or also look at what aspects of lifestyle they can change, so that yoga becomes an effortless part. Yoga becomes a part of the life, in sense that everything what they do can help them take towards take a step towards their well-being. So So we are not planning to teach anything much in terms of practices. Okay, I am 500% willing, but I have an hernia with surgery. That's not an issue at all. You don't have to worry about any ailments. So that is not a restriction. You can definitely join if you're doing any yogic practices. It doesn't matter as long as you're doing something in terms of yoga practices, even if it's from Upa Yoga or Isha Kriya or whatever else you have learned, that's fine. Guidelines guidelines of we are guidelines we are not just publishing outside right now, we're just building it up. If you have been following our Agni series, etc., we'll be releasing many of these things slowly over a period of time. For example, if you have been seeing the Agni series videos, many of the aspects related to food we have already released that, so you can follow it step by step. This is more like an accelerated program where you get all these things in a structured manner, and where you have the support system where you can get your queries answered. If you have it's more of a support system for you to implement, where we join together live, we do it. And this may be more of a inspiration for you to get started in terms of implementation. So if you're just looking for information, all this information is anyway there on Sadhguru's channels, and we'll also try to release it step by step. Okay. Workaround for those in difficult time zones. Right now, we don't have a workaround. Maybe after the first program, we'll see if, based on the interest, whether we can do it for other time zones, sub-special batch or something. Okay. Someone say, I'm looking forward to this program. That's great. Yes, it's not free program. People asking for the course fee, etc. I'll share the link with you. Some more details will be there in terms of that. This is something which definitely there will be an investment in terms of time and even in terms of a fee as well. So you have to see whether you're willing and you're able to do it. So we'll share the details in the link, and in a few days time when we open the registration, you'll be able to see more details. Is this the same program announced by Sadhguru in Darshan? No, this is not the same program. What Sadhguru announced in the Darshan is completely different. He spoke about a 21 days program which is held in person at Isha Yoga Center. So you have to be in the Isha Yoga Center. You have to travel. You have to. It's a residential program which he announced, and they are going to take only a few people. So if you wish to go for that, that's wonderful if you can go there, if you can travel and you can be at the Isha Yoga Center. But anyway, that also not many people may get the opportunity to do it because it will be a very limited batch, and people from across the world may be applying. So that would be an offline program. And he also spoke about some Sadhguru exclusive program, but again that is not released. And he said that it will be some online kind of format where a lot of videos etc. will be there. So I'm not sure. Uh, I think it might be launched in September, but it may not be this thing in terms of support system like this. This is more of having a small group of committed people who are looking to grow and to help them out. Is there any help regarding practice corrections? No, we can't do any practice corrections online. So this won't be an opportunity for you to get practices corrected. Especially if you have learned Hatha Yoga, then you should get your practices corrected by a Isha Hatha Yoga teacher offline. So if you have learned Surya Kriya, or if you have learned Yogasanas or Angamardana, something like that, so you have to meet some teacher offline and see if you can get your practices corrected, because we are not supposed to do any practice corrections online. Can 12-year-olds join? Yes, age is not a limit. If anybody is willing, but I'm not very sure how easy it would be for them to get up so early in the morning if you are from India. But yes, if they are willing, that it's not a problem for me if they are willing to join. I joined late, so is it possible to see this video from beginning again? Yes, after this session ends, the video will be available on the channel. After some time, you will be able to watch it from the beginning, so don't worry about that. You will be able to watch the whole video. It will be there in the channel itself, so you can go through it. Please, if you can confirm timings in India, 3:30 to 4:30 a.m. IST, September 3rd to September 23rd. Okay, so you can convert to your time zone accordingly. Okay, no, it's not in the ashram. No teachers training, nothing. This they won't be doing any training or anything like that. Okay, so I guess most of the questions we have answered. So yeah, so please see if you can. I'll post the link in terms of the inquiry form after some time. Just see the description window after some time, and I'll post the link. Will the offline 21 days sadhana coincide with the same dates? Yes, possibly it does, because I think the offline program is starting in September itself. So if you're looking to go for the offline program, then if you get into that, it's better you go for that then, because it may be coinciding. I heard that the program, offline 21 days program at the Isha Yoga Center will be in September sometime. So somewhere around mid-September, I heard. I'm not sure about the dates. So it will coincide. Few days may coincide. Maybe the last week of it might coincide. Okay. So yeah, so those of you who are not able to come for such a long program and the timings are inconvenient for you, and you are in some other time zone, you can still make use of other shorter programs which we have. So we have a, 3-day program on food specifically. It's called Ahar. So this will be a program on yogic diet, where if you're looking how to make changes in terms of your diet, what to eat, how to eat, recipes, how to cook a yogic meal. So all these things will be looking at in the Ahar program in depth. So that is just a 3-day program. So we did the last batch. We did the first batch of this online program, which was live in this month, somewhere early this month. We had about over 60 people joining from different corners of the world. So we're planning to do this program again in September. We'll release the dates soon. So if you're just wanting to learn about yogic diet, then you can take up that program, which is just 3-day program. It will make a big difference in terms of your energy levels and the way you are able to integrate your practices and other things. So you can take up that the Ahar online program, which will be a live program. That will be just 3 days, about 1.5 hours per day. So that's something which you can do. And we also have a program for children. It's called as Shrishti. So there we'll be learning about yoga, nature, food, play. So we'll be seeing how to integrate these aspects. So we finished 3 batches of this program since we started about 2.5 months back, and more than 250 people have gone through the program since then, since the time we started. And we'll be announcing the program dates for September as well. So if you have children or teenagers at home between 7 to 16 years, if they're just wanting to get an introduction and in terms of yogic diet, yoga practices, being in touch with nature, etc., then this program will help. So we have these shorter programs. So you can always make use of this. It will be convenient for you because wherever you are in terms of time zones, it can work. But this new program which we have planned, this is something more for people who are already on the path and who are looking to take the next step. So that's something which you can do if you're really willing to take that step. Okay, so we'll close now. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining. And someone's asking, my energy levels are very low. Is this program helpful for me? Yes, it can definitely help you. If you're struggling with your energy levels, or if you're feeling that you're not consistent with your practices, or if you're feeling that you always require some external motivation for you to do practices, or if you feel that there is a constant struggle between your yoga practices and rest of your activities, if all these kind of challenges or friction is appearing in your life, and you feel that you want to solve this, then this program will definitely help. Because if you are able to implement all aspects of a yogic lifestyle, and if you do it consistently over a period of 21 days, we hope that this would have enough given you enough momentum so that this becomes a part of your life. But usually we have seen that if it's for a few days time, then people again, revert back to their old state. But consistently, if you do something for such a long period of time, then the chances of you going back to your old state are quite less, because this is quite a long time commitment, right? So that's the reason why we have planned for 21 days, keeping that in mind, so that at least for people, this will be something which can help them change, whether it's their lifestyle, their food, in terms of the yogic practices, everything. It can help you assist in moving that. So that's the idea. Yes, we'll share the program link in the Yogire WhatsApp group also, for those of you who are interested. So those of you are part of the group. So we have a Yogire WhatsApp broadcast group where we keep sharing all our program updates and other daily yogic updates. So if you wish to stay updated, you can join the group if you have not already been a part of it. So that way you will be the first to hear about all such program information or other daily updates. You'll be the first one to hear. So you can join the group. If you go to our website, yogiray.com, you will find the link to join the group, or you can directly type yogiray.com/WhatsApp, and you can join the group. So either you can directly use the link, or just go to our website, and at the bottom of the website, you will find a link to join the WhatsApp group. So you can even do that. Okay, thank you so much all for joining and being a part of this. In some time, I'll share the pre-registration link in the description. So please see if you're interested to fill that up, and hope to see some of you in this program, which is starting from September 3rd. So thank you so much. If you have any other additional questions, you can always post on the chat window here, and or in the comment section. You can do that. Thank you so much. Namaskaram. Have a great day.